Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this lecture, I am going to discuss lesson number 1, the best advice I ever had. Students, take out your books. This lesson is about author Konrad Adenauer, who was the Chancellor of West Germany. His father gave him an advice when he was a young boy. This extract is about his father's advice, which proved to be very helpful for his life. Start reading. In this extract, Konrad Adenauer, who became Chancellor of the Federal Republic of Germany, West Germany, in 1949, writes about the counsel that guided him in his long and successful career. The advice was given to him by his father means. In this short paragraph, author shares his life experience with us, that how he became a successful person just in his life just because of acting upon a single piece of advice which is given by his father. The next paragraph, this counsel rang constantly in my ears when I was boy. Go the last mile and enjoy it. It has stayed with me ever since, comforted me in difficult times and brought me moments of deep contentment. Konrad Adenauer always remembered his father's advice. And what was his advice? Go the last mile and enjoy it. It means if you want to do something or achieve something in your life, you have to work hard with great devotion. His father's advice always gave him strength whenever he faced difficulty in his life. It came from my father, who had gained it through experience. As a young soldier, he did his duty so well that he was made an officer on the battlefield in the Prussian army, an almost unheard of achievement. Later, as a law court clerk, he worked hard and well, earned a free conscience, and so at home was a relaxed and contented man. Happiness to him was simply work's greatest byproduct. Only when you have done your full duty, he said, are you completely happy. That is what he meant by going the last mile. In this paragraph, author talked about his father's achievement, that all the success which author's father had achieved was just because he also had followed the same advice which he gave to his son. Here, free consent means a person decides what is good for him and what is wrong for him. Okay, let's move to our next paragraph. Like most youngsters, I would have much preferred playing ball to conjugating Latin verbs, but father insisted that mastering my studies was my chief duty. Concentrate, he urged me, his pointed beard bristling with earnestness. Do not let yourself be diverted until you are finished. Thanks to his insistence, I did well in school. In this paragraph, Konrad Adenauer talked about his early life. When he was a young boy, his other fellows were busy in games like basketball, football, volleyball, etc. But he gave importance to his studies because his father urged him that his main duty was to focus on his studies and do not let himself distracted. At the University of Munich, my clear duty was to complete my studies as soon as as possible in order to help support the family. Night after night, I studied a law book by the light of a petroleum lamp. When I felt I absolutely had to go to sleep, I would remember my father's advice and carry on. But how could I go the last mile every night? Means at the University of Munich, Arthur's absolute duty was to study hard and support his family financially. Even when he felt super tired, he kept on with his studies. Next paragraph. Then it came to me. I filled my porcelain wash basin with water and put it on the floor beside me. Took off my shoes and read on barefoot. When my heavy head dropped with sleepiness, I plunged my feet into the cold water and shook myself awake. Thanks to this stratagem, I finished the university in 3 years instead of four. But but for but how long Arthur could go the last mile every night? So an idea crossed his mind. He filled his wash basin with water and put it beside him. Whenever his head fell forward with sleepiness or tiredness, he he would plunge himself his feet in water and shook himself awake. Because of this scheme, he finished his university in 3 years instead of four. My father's counsel has helped me many other times since. I have never kept office hours. I have found that if you want to go the last mile, you don't hear the clock strike 6. In this paragraph, author Conrad Adiner said that his father's advice helped all along his life. He didn't care about the dismissal of his hours. It doesn't matter if the clock strikes 6. He continued with his work until finished. Okay, second last paragraph. When Nazism came to Germany, I felt duty bound to oppose it. For I clearly saw that it could only lead to slavery. Going all the way against it took me to an SS prison, where my wife I spent a cheerless silver wedding anniversary. But I never regretted my stand. The sense of having done what seemed to me my complete duty gave me an inner serenity more precious than any physical comfort. In this paragraph, author said that when Nazism came to Germany, he opposed it because he thought that it could only lead to slavery, but this opposition led him to prison. He even celebrated his 25th wedding anniversary in jail with his wife. But even then, the author felt that the most happiness which he ever got was in those days when he used to act on his father's advice. Last paragraph. In fact, most of the happiness in what to me has been a very happy life has come, I believe, from the times I have gone the last mile and done a job fully. This means if you complete your duty honestly and devotedly, you can get real happiness. Okay, This is all about the lesson. These are words meaning of the chapter. The central idea of the lesson. In a nutshell, this extract gives a valuable lesson. If we want to lead a happy, successful, and contented life, all we have to do is to fulfill our duty with full devotion and hard work, such as go the last mile, try our level best, and never let ourselves distracted until we reach our destination. Assignment, home assignment. Question number 1. Learn and write words meaning. Question number 2. Write summary of the lesson. Thank you.